Watch this.
If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's rainy and you know it, jump in puddles. If it's rainy and you know it, jump in puddles. If it's rainy and you know it, then your boots will surely show it. If it's rainy and you know it, jump in puddles. If it's windy and you know it, fly your kite. If it's windy and you know it, fly your kite. If it's windy and you know it, watch it soar up high and show it. If it's windy and you know it, fly your kite. If it's snowy and you know it, build a snowman. If it's snowy and you know it, build a snowman.
I'm going to show you how much YouTube channels are making from creating this kind of videos, and also the good part, how to create this kind of videos from scratch. You don't need any sophisticated materials, you only need your phone and for you to follow me through. Make sure you watch this video to the very end, step by step. All right, let me go and show you how much they make first before I show you how to do it. All right, we'll just go over to Social Blade, and here on Social Blade we'll type out any kid channel name, and now I'm typing out Choo TV Nursery Rhyme. It has 97.9 million subscribers, and it started like 12 years ago. That was like 2013. And now let's check how much they are making. They have over 200 subscribers for the last 30. They are making $89,000 to $1.4 million a month. Like, this is roughly their average. So that 98k to 1 point, so nothing less than 90,000 a month. Okay, some of you might be like, hey, this channel is a big one. Let me show you another channel that is not as big as this, that started less than 5 years ago. Grace's Corner. All right, you can see it started 2020, which is like 5 years ago, right? And they already have 5.9 million followers or subscribers. Let's check how much Grace's Corner make on a monthly basis. Nothing less than 27,000 to 420,000. The block. So these channels are making real money per month, and the best part is you can make them right from your phone. You can make something like this right from your phone. You don't need to be a professional. You don't need to have sophisticated tools. No, you can do this right from your phone, and this is what I'm going to be showing you today on this video. So the very first part is to come up with your idea. Think of a simple lesson for kids, like maybe counting colors, hygiene, or money within. Just have an idea, and what you have to do is we'll go over to ChatGPT. Even if you don't have idea, you can tell ChatGPT to help you generate ideas. But I strongly advise you have your idea already, so that it will be distinct from every other video idea online, because ChatGPT will give you general video idea. That's why I strongly advise you have your idea. But just have a very simple idea, and the ChatGPT will construct a better one for you. So what we are going to do now is to go over to ChatGPT. We're going to generate our song lyrics, and we are doing this. You can see I told ChatGPT, write a fun, repetitive children's song that teaches about different kind of weather, that's sunny, rainy, windy, and snowy. I know Nigeria, we have a matter. But I'm just going general for the word, right? Make it sound like if you're happy and you know it, you know that kind of reading, right? And include playful action like wear your heart, jump in the puddle, fly a kite, build a snowman. See, I just give it my idea, and I told it keep it cheerful and easy for toddlers to sing along, because our target audience are toddlers, like babies, right? So you can see what ChatGPT gave me. Here's a cheerful toddler friendly weather song inspired by if you're happy and you know. Full functions built in it. This is just it. Title is if you're happy and you know. I see it if it's sunny and you know it. A simple, sweet lyric songs. What we have to do next is to turn our lyrics into a full-blown song. We're going to be doing that using AI. I've already created a detailed video on how to use AI to create your music. So if you've not watched that tutorial, you can go watch it right after this video, because there I explain in details how to do it. But I'm going to actually put you through here. So what you're going to do is to create your song, put in your lyrics here. So we're going to copy the lyrics that ChatGPT gave us, and I'm going to paste it. You have different way to create. First thing, you can actually click here But I don't suggest you click here. I don't suggest you click here. So the very thing I do when I want to do mine is I go over to create. I click on custom and then I paste in my lyrics. So now you have to choose your style and then make sure you had, if you want it to be like more voice, all of that, just write it. And then once you're done, you have to click on create song. Right, there are suggestions for you, but we are not using all the suggestions because they did not suggest children song for us. So and once you're done, you hit your create, and then to take some seconds, minutes to create. So right here on our library, we have songs that have been created for us. I actually tried out this new feature on AI, the newly version 5. Like, it's so amazing, but the only problem is if you're using it for free, you will not be able to download the full song. So let me play it for you to see.
Know it, wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's
They gave us two variations. Let me check the other one.
sunny and you know it, will wear your hat. Sunny and you know it, will wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, then your face will.
This is fine. But let's check the normal one without this preview, because you can see we only have 1 minute for these are 60 seconds, and they told us to upgrade for full song, right? But the most beautiful one is this very first one. We can click on this other one and then check the best one. This one is a full song.
If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, then
This is
your face
fine.
will surely shine.
Let's check this last one for our main one, right?
If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat.
All of them are amazing, so you don't even need to upgrade to premium one to get the song. But if you so wish to like get this first one, you can upgrade, right? So once you're done to download the song, click on this three dots and then click on download and download as mp3, right? So that's it. So now that we have a song, what we have to do now is to turn our song to music video. How do we do that? Because kids don't just want to listen to audio, right? They want to watch visuals. So we are going to go over to our image generator and generate our images. So you can use Grok AI, you can use Leonardo AI, you can use Bing and all of that. But guess what? Guess what I used? Wow, I use the most simplest one. I usually use Google Image Lab, but this time I use the most simplest of them all and the most free, like free. I use WhatsApp. Yes, I had to go to my WhatsApp and then create my images from my WhatsApp. So, but before we got to the images part, I actually had to come to ChatGPT to give me the image prompt. You don't need to do anything. In less than 1 hour, you'll be done. So this was what I did. I said, give me prompt for first send to generate the image. I made sure that it was first send because um I don't want all the plenty stress, because this is a tutorial video. If you want 10 cent or 20 cent, it doesn't even matter. Like, as well as is very visual impressive, like it's cool, catch the attention, and the music is superb, you're good to go. So and then here's what ChatGPT gave me. Yeah, for image generation prompts, okay? Cheerful toddler in a sunny park wearing a bright yellow blah blah. So what you have to do is just copy it. So but what I did is I actually turned this cheerful toddler into children. All right, I didn't want, for the very first thing, I didn't want it to just be one child. I actually generated that, but I didn't like it that much, so I had to make it like children, right? So that was what I did. I copied it and go over to my WhatsApp, pasted it on Meta AI, and then I did it for the first thing. So this is what I did again. After generating the images, I said I've created the images. Now I want to animate them. All right, see, I even add the type where I didn't know. Give me prompt to animate each already generated image scene to match the song. Not that they are children in the sense, not one child. Like I told you, I had to change it from from child to children, right? So and here's the animation. So it gave me animation. You see, As soon as from just one prompt, we were able to get the song, and then we were able to get the image, and now the animation to get the video. All right, so this is it for the first scene, the second scene, the third scene, and the fourth scene. So what I did was I took my image to this AI tool that helped me generate animated video. So it turned my static image to animation. So let me show you AI tool I used. It's Hello AI, right? So let me go over to the library. Gallery. And then what I did is I just copied the prompts that he gave me, pasted them, and then I clicked on image, sorry, image to video. Just go over here and then upload, upload your image, and then click on, let me use this again. Then paste your prompts, and once you paste your prompts, click on this 25 credits, and then you're done. So this was what it gave me. I did that for this one, I did it for this one, I did it for this one. So that's how I generated for all of them. That's how I generated for all of them. So now that we have our video, our song, what are we going to do right now is to go back to CapCut and edit everything. All right, follow me back to CapCut. So I'm going to click on new project, and here I'm going to click on import. I'm going to import all the clips I downloaded. Just before this one just did over Zabi and it added itself. I'm going to remove it. And once you're done, I'm going to import again and then import my song. Oh, yes, that last one was the song. Let's play it. Yes, that's it. So what we're going to do, you can see you now go over to ChatGPT where you got your lyrics, right? You have to scroll down and then check. Very first one is Sunny, right? So you have to take it down. So we're going to import our song. I'm just going to then I'm going to import Sunny, right? Sunny. All right.
If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat.
So you can see we have it here. What we're going to do is just to duplicate the video. So this is what I noticed. I'm going to cut this out.
If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat.
So this place is actually pausing. I don't want it like that. Okay. So after importing it to my CapCut, I have to bring down everything to my timeline. Right. I'm sorry it's not showing right on the screen. I don't know what happened to my OBS. Okay. I put this song first and then make sure I know where the song verse ended. So for each verse, like for the Sunny verse, I had to actually duplicate the video to where the verse ended, right? So I think I duplicated the first one to like three videos, and then for these kites and for others I had to duplicate them until they ended there, until the verse in the song ended. So it's no big deal for you to duplicate. Might be like, hey, why is it duplicating? No, it's a child video. It's not as if they are singing along. No, they're just showing in the video. So that's how I duplicated everything. And after doing that, the next thing you have to do is to actually add your caption so that it will be beautiful. So for children, when you are choosing your caption, you should be very picky. Make it beautiful that children will really love. Hi guys, if you got value from this video, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. So until next time, bye.
If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's sunny and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your hat. If it's rainy and you know it, jump in puddles. If it's rainy and you know it, jump in puddles. If it's rainy and you know it, then your boots will surely show it. If it's rainy and you know it, jump in puddles. If it's windy and you know it, fly your kite. If it's windy and you know it, fly your kite. If it's windy and you know it, watch it soar up high and show it. If it's windy and you know it, fly your kite. If it's snowy and you know it, build a snowman. If it's snowy and you know it, build a snowman.